Friends, life is very simple, really very simple. But we are always insist to make it so complicated. Then, for that reasons, we are very much worried for every moment about our success or our work. But we are making it complicated. Otherwise, if we are stick in the basics, then it's become very simple. Basics of our every promised and decisions, if we stick on that, then we are going to be a very good maintain our good work ethics, our promises, whatever we did. Always remember, it's make ourselves very positive attitude. We are always see the positive things if we are stick on the basis. If basics is very important, every basic start from a good planning and strategy for every work. What if it is for study, it's work, and every day. This planning is dependent on the time management. If you every day start morning with a positive planning, what to do today, if any appointment you have, make it plan earlier and give the time to others and take times from others, make it schedule. It's the basic needs for everyday work. If it is for exams, start a schedule planned. When exam come to nearer to you, then make it hourly basis plan, as because something is very essential at the same time, that is also basics, that is our rest. Every day sleep a proper time, that makes you healthy. If you are not healthy, how to continue the work or study? Another basics is identify the weak area in our work or in our study. When you identify the weak and strong areas, then we concentrate more on the weak areas. That make our work so positive way. Another thing, keep some silence time in your work schedule. This silence make you more concentrated. But the most important is practice, practice, and practice. After that, all the basics, when you identified and do on it, next rest to the God. Success must come. Maybe some earlier, sometimes it's take some times, but success is come. So always stick on the basics. When you stick on the basics, we know very well 24 hours is for all are getting the same 24 hours, but some of them utilize this properly, and others the people, so those people are not planned on, not stick in the basics, they're diverted, they wasted their 24 hours time. Whatever the successful people, I'm giving examples. The most successful people, starting from any president to the most in less important peoples, those all people are getting day in 24 hours, but basic difference is how they utilize their 24 hours. Everything is need, so stick on the basics. That is most important for us. Thank you. Hope you like it and do it every day. Thanks.